Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing where the header will live and why that matters. Headers guide readers and anchor filters. Select the top row or rows, then clear existing formatting so styles don't conflict. Next, freeze panes from the View tab so the header stays visible when you scroll. Once done, set column widths to fit expected content. This prevents wrapped text later. Make sure to save a copy before major changes, so you can revert if the layout shifts unexpectedly. Now you build the header look and functionality, and that's where choices affect usability. Merge cells only for descriptive titles. Don't merge if you need to sort or use filters. Then format cells, choose font weight, center or left align, enable wrap text, and set text rotation if space is tight. Apply borders and a table style to create clear separation between header and data. Once formatted, convert the range to a table to inherit filter buttons and consistent styling automatically. Finish by adding functionality and checking output. This prevents surprises later. Add filters from the Data tab or convert the range into a table so filter arrows appear. This also helps with structured references. For printing, set print titles to repeat header rows and check page breaks. If sorting or filtering scrambles data, undo merged header cells and create helper columns for grouping instead. This preserves column integrity. Finally, save and back up a version.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.